my people, una welcome back to my channel. This channel now here we dey talk about tori when it dey happen for social media. We dey post videos and everything. So if you know say you enjoy our video, please subscribe now. Subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell, and make sure you like my video. Give me a thumbs up. I beg you, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. I am begging you, please. It will not take anything from you. Just subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you who has supported me so far. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Subscribe.
We jealousy then when on time any jealousy men we want jealousy where if I jealousy where he jealousy where men we want jealousy where me Italian passport me Spanish 5 years me UK 5 years that man they are jealousy and I want better wa picture wa yes about the radije he said about it the radije he said about it the radije ma pani he said about the radije ya ola ni te bo le garije isede bo ni te na yibi ewe mi oja ite bo ni garije ma pa na ni ka wa ya bo be isede bo ni o ma mu enwina iri owo igbago bo me amen am a worker. Eje woni advice ani mu abi woni mai ne gbo mo ya na ibo ni mai ne gbe ni me ya ko yo minuta no ya we mi ni ato ya gbo we and a gag ni a website ni block na abi woni cat for me chebush time on it abi woni I ye ya la dan gwa bere ya gwa pichi abi woni mai ne gbe ni re group ni na gwa bere wa o ya no wi o ba no $8 my darling sister $8 no ku ya social media ya ndo agwa afi pegu me owo we abi woni mai ne gbe ni ye to atama we uno kona me madi agu o we me jealousy ye ya jealousy we ba. Are we made jealousy here? Yeah, go away. Where? Yeah, go away. Italian, yeah, go away. Where? No can go man, you can go and mail, beg a noble, up to wearing. Yeah, go away. Yeah, go away. Italian, where? You know? Hell yeah, only go to them. When guys need 18 men or what, that's small, but I go talk, you know, it a place. You don't reach where me, I go call you. Iyo iya ni ono ligue abi wo ni ata benu wa mi o mena abi wo ni ya boti ne abi wo ni mu e lati ani abala duwe abi wo ni na biko towo uwe no fi owa uwe no expire eni no abi wo ni o ri ago na abi wo ni gbigbe aja ni ya boti ne ni ai ni si o mi yero iyo ne ni ka iyan with awo bo ni pe ni ya awo bo ni yaro ni ri ani wa ni muja ni ya isape ri awa yen wa ya o. Itematan ima gbe ma pare gbe mere e franc itie franc e apple idam yo wo egwa yan idam yo gbon me on bring her up me never na bring her up mo fun you na akọ me ona we me jealousy here. Mayo we mu wa bo bi o yo mo ta me bo be mi ya jealous me u yedo ya ma mu yedo me u yedo be register wa like go ipe we na je peters even certificate u yedo o fige iwa ke iso o ya end meeting corporate affair o ya end o fige we me jealousy ya jealousy we o we me jealousy here. Image jealousy here. Body. Iya da sun adelupo ne. Awe ya da sun adelupo ne na. Be ni adelupo ne, upo na dele ni ne. Eyan ya ne mi na adelupo ne mo ife ina me bu ode. O ma yo ge ya so eyo mi ya je. O mana bi pute na ni ti advice na on enter or we jealousy here. Now, why tell me message? I want buy tell me Facebook. Facebook is your program and I don't tell me. Why tell me Facebook here? Oba Latia, when no say na mo in na get boy ni tamari your panoka o. Ege na je Nigeria last 2 years, last 3 years. Aru go na away mi, ona carry fi pe na wa won. Me re Naija. Oma egi te me message anybody coming for who are block a page here. I poke na way me push na way me pe me kan. Hello. Udam yo me. So ina here Nigeria when kemi so your bo then me je gwa kemi your mabo ina here Nigeria iriga Nigeria the bush lion ya we mi ni to ya mo bu te bush lion yeri we mi ni when o ere bush lion ya we mi iriga Nigeria ona fi pe gbe yen ba we go ogun adi so we do agwa ayin na mia wo we mi ni na imagine ona ebo ni megun abi we va nu friend ni am we gbe ye conference gun megun which the record the rema now is a blessing of your people with a blessing region a blessing of him with the second woman a blessing of a leader group in the general up to a blessing to Yami Yarema because Emi Yarema because you yabi woni na no ya me ya watalona I want a blessing our record a year record and a master record in our okay or take the first woman or take the second woman. That one have to explain. And I'm going to buy you back. I don't know. Imani Egunta, ne man, because when Latin Amuna, or Yami Agie, Eminala, there is selected. He selected, not to play. Because we bungo, not to play, Siva. So, because, one, this is somebody need take as government. Ni take. And men or advice when Gama, and you need to be as a man. Also, Osla. When we also. I say I like when I also. Okay. This is the same boy. When you the boy na Ladia, but two of Vitali, one way for tell by my door. Even with your boy, it's then he pick a Frankie Yoga in our take a hotel you know. Man on my neck, man on my neck, he ain't in the Buna, near 7 years, near 7 years, oh, my be allowed to or maybe now, is your boy when you go and pick this guy. All the history of 50 years, me. I'm just good. I take him as my younger brother. Why you are not telling him? Why should I jealous you? I'm telling you the truth. He ain't play. Everybody want the I'm not jealous here. When only anima when no soon that when me water I never stop a record me record my permit me a blessing when no say that's when a blessing when genuine leader of a group me Frankie Jena group chat me Jena a blessing or more case woman or more woman Trump the Frankie woman or more the first woman or when the secretary when I take this 20 maybe in a Frank okay, now we get attack. Just like matter Frank, we get a case. In our way, in our died the case. In our go to get why we were not to the first woman. One I made, he said, not a guy, man, it will, man. If you want also your life, start a good life, man. For women, they have dead spirits. Obia now also be a one way go to matter when you like play. So yeah, if you want like me, now a blessing you join group. When no bless you, bless your more yagumen. A leader of a group, no leaking and I when you have the case in you. You may have me, but when no know before or even I a blessing now a Frankie don't even hear. When you near you more then I will maybe more ladder you may Frank is my own. Now Frank is my own. But I wish jealous when I don't know what I are jealous here. I will go a big oil to I will go a big oil to. No, give advice to a good year dog one. Yeah, I don't need money. I don't move. I mean, what you want? Why would you want? Need paper papas. When we are guinea. Yeah, I mean, what you were aching. All your body were aching. Who else, your man? Thank you, tiny one. It was your man. Even when I want movement, ekene, you see when I give more. Can I give you more? Can I make a boy nice or more was soon? But when I not telling you, I have no fractal in a fractal, or man and my sister, or my own look I play a Wesley. You know, later. When you want to now, you play the I yeah, no, it will not maybe I have jealousy of it. It's any time I have yes, so they have advice. It didn't. What another was woman at the time? Was a woman at time? What time we jealous? There was a woman at the time. Was woman at the time. Of your hand, no man at the time, but why are they? Oh, we are different. Yeah, we did. He was a boy. He had boy, we are paying 10 euro fine. 20 years of who enjoy go away. Yeah, we want go away. How well? Who do I tell me rubbish? Oh, be not be ya me o dey go we be na agbe me. O gbe me you be no. O be ni me am egbe ye ya mo ya go away. Later. You hear me no? I hear my sister from my YouTube. I see what you at. You know? Okay. You know. I hear. Iyo me no pa ne. O ma we me me. Ari ko ni o dupon ne no ge back no you de ne. Ya gbe ba wa ri ko ni to de ba e. Me awa gbe ba we yen de ba e. Me iwa to gbe. Are we say why are some here? Are we jealous? We are jealousy we. Somebody me are jealousy we. If we are jealousy we ba. If a Italian passport, if a UK 5 years, if a Spanish 5 years, tamai they are jealousy we. No agbeo. No agbeo. Tamai they are jealousy we. After the social media president. We are jealousy we ba. He jealous us me. Us me am in the room and he jealous. He jealous eh. Of my letter. Iyan o kan na ya me gbo we pe mi ra iwu ato bota ma ete o ma ti me no de. E komita no coffee se yen mi nwa we mi ni ewu na e ma. No sense to that. They may not tell no fire I see go more that speak later no one go and go the social media. You know no tell no money and later. Where's it? Later, John. Later. I beg, everybody. I want to good morning. I say good morning, my please don't join this backward saga level. Stop it. You are above that. Thank you very much. I don't know for that what you wrote there. That yes, I wouldn't join the. I don't want to be a part and parcel of those saga. I am just a man wey come with social media to pass advice who here though. Wetin I want let people understand about this social media of the thing. And be somebody wey no like make people dey quarrel, make everywhere spoil. I be somebody wey like truth. Hello, hello. Hello, wagun ne wala. Wagun won. Oya gumegun. Ere speaker. Anybody here speaker na imana tell ni ata na. No tell money. Listen. My people, waiting I want let you know now. Waiting are they talking about now? I want let because waiting I hear when Frank talk, he said they jealous am. He said me I felt they jealous about social media. And they jealous am. Say they give a president. In real life me. Go. Okay, call back. You're going 5 minutes and we can go call back 5 minutes. Call back 5 minutes time, me work laugh you. Call back 5 minutes time, I'm you. Okay? Another call now. Why am I have it now? My baby call you. Hello. Mother, I speak hello, Gumego. Hello. Imani hot. When I say, now say I'm with you room. When I say I'm your mama. You know no get. You know I'm with you. Imana move euro ya hawe mi no ma ekeni euro ya play mi no bu no ma ekeni play la dia don na move euro ya move euro ne medi me kun down or ya move euro that way we may jealous here ina when I don't know him is jealous but me you put no as o temene ere we emi na munu e na ere me na ina we umeni na munu eni ni eri umenwa no te umozuo yegi enwa no te go eri mo uko ki no ma na ku na mu yo oni ogo ya mu yo uko ki ozuo emi no ma ku o sai ku mu koku da no ngai mu mi da me when you me na presenter I lo me awe mi da one madam yeah no ane madam okay so my people make I let you know one thing. Hello. Speaker, mamu speaker. Speaker, mamu speaker. Yeah. Yes. Iye gbe me imate ba e Frankie ni no be gun no de dam yo me. O club no do be send me gun we puse ina wa be bo. Won ari opu na we pu ni wu e ma e. Ari wo ni o wa le we bo ni. Ni o wa wo no gbeki. Ari wo ni o wa iya ri ti e we gu fun wa. Uwe ti gu ye dogun. Ari se wo no ekugu we o be we. Re emi ya e mani gun. Di se iku oni no we ti yen ni ogi eri eke. Idame owe. Hello. Iye gbeme yo. Ina we ba ya contest bi even when ni ye social media play imo yo, iwon ni we ni vie. Igbo video dey je gbe try mo ni ye we contest o we ti mo uye do seyan ya. Uye do ni o seyan ya no presenter. Uyi no we do egbe me no. O seyan ya bi ai mu eje no samugu me to mu ekwa. We eje ni. E o ti agbebe no ba. So mi uye do ni ya wa won na bi o. Bomegbon. Ai metana. O ma ni ya mu ege ni ne o ka le ma ni mu ege ni yen. E ma ni mu emi nu e. Iya owa. Iya e ma gbon. E ma ni mu ege ne ya zuwa. Iya mu ege nu e. Abu we no tu wa. O mu ege nu e. Ala pi ko ni owa. Iya ya vote. Iya ya ni vote ni ya pi ki ya owa. Iya gbe o. Ari ko ni owa re webo. Enome itami ya wa isi onigi yero. A isi onigi yero me bandi de. Hello, down your well. Eni no ya la ti ano. O we jealous. Men who yedo say everybody. Why no yedo? Who yi no yedo egbe. Umani ni why no who yi no yedo egbe. Okay. O man e me no wa yata wa we se. Abo one day aya won. Awe ba agunu ge I call oya ibude no ma aya won. Ibe like wa ni po ni ele gbe no ti me na. Sanu da si agba ku wa ya we se. We se. Iwe saga, iya oni approach me like saga. Iya me ge approach me like saga. Iwe ya ni better than more than 10 page. Can you block him at Kenya with your fake account? Copy another by Kenya. Imo. Iye me no I wesi. Iye me no I. Iye me no I wesi. You know, you advice in what you're talking. You know, let's see. So my people, I want to let you know one thing. You know why verse come back today. I don't believe in saga. I don't be past that one. I don't want to do saga again. As I advise, I come out with pure white, purity. Now let's start my program. I'm always on white when I'm talking what involve our culture and tradition. Based on that fact, I can't pass good advice they go. But unfortunately, I can't see say people come to insult my enemy. And during that insult, I can't get to they can't push me go where I not supposed go where which I not supposed to do. Now I can't regain my side, my sense. I can't say no. I doesn't belong to this word group of word saga. I belong to what? A man that have a crown, that is crowned. So say they crown me. So with the crown where God give me, don't phone. Hello? 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 Okay. Okay, sister. Damn your way.
Okay, my number is called that thing.
Oh, yes, say, Koyo. Emo, what, sir?
This boy now we are here from Vitona. When he was,
Okay.
the boy like grab the work in life with you.
Yes.
Boy now he from Vitona. The better no more can open na me mind. The grab the work in life with you now. Ederoni, eri owi te body Tony Kabaka. Ohana la Jona Robiere. The man no carry any family man to start with. Only not the material. Okay, who or we remain. Game up no ekpele. That evidence kunyeri mo kunye like that. And the Okana me not only award Germany, everybody measure ma. Anya when they pay lega and throw a Germany. Ahora ya fi moto kia, I moto no ya fi e jabala setona fi moto bebuna. Me wanya ko kwa lo e keke ya kwa lo bebuna. I ale Germany. Oh, ko no pe kan me di soken. Oh, ko e kwana. E frafitona e pe no ya po me lighting, po me lare. Oh, logo. No te na, if ya get to pani asenti come venote. Ona vi aro vi we. Utu ti boy we pe na IT social media president we. A class one we. Oga ta venote na, o we tu jolos. Okay, tem no ne no jolos. Dem ne frafitona no pe jolos. When e fe back.
Egbe wo me o.
NB, e boy na, to start with NB. E pa di Murphy, the social media president. Na come mi ya e passport o mukia. Yene pe na ti ebe. Comment on fait ta latness when you get bono, when the passport. Who will it to so look you are coming mana? When it's ana. E boy na e pe no mwe, e pe no ya te kere, e pe ni koye ya popo yo. Ni ya se la di, ni ya se la fun.
Okay.
Iye kwa love social media. Ele amwe posti no e. O das mo ki pada na. Amwe posti no kwa, ti pina no kwa pina. Na amwe posti no kwa, ana igwe posti na wo gi nya. Te va no ele ti we yo. Amu kwa yo. Abie e ma na lo ke social media, no ke this Facebook ne bo ya la. Nyo mu kwa e president ya. Neni no when una ye eke no ma so we pe eke no ayu here eke no ala hu fupa no ala si city pa eri ye ki ono na ye be get pe ye bu get pe ye kebe latia ye na tele u pe 1 euro na no jo e wa we to ye ku we ata any ban any so when ariana we ti say ya umana ya ta yo go kura ye tu kon we ona to kura ye te ti 5 euro no mo ki apugwe la jabe social media e tu gbe Germany ni meje oji wa ego emu we kwa te e siti nu je gugwe we sari na we kwa te siti nu je tu ma mi ekwe tu ma mi te we vitali nu ke povere tu ma ya mi ekwe we diva we te siti nu je na ko no mu kwa jo kwa ne kwa na mu no le no so ko kia umara pa imana ta yo ko na iya je ta jiro ku ne ku emu ipina na ti mo fi ipina we na ipina tele ko prima star we ya ku kwa ipina ni ipina the social media we na ipina u kwa to le kona tare you are not social media who that mo keep banana ne ku emu what do we mi no ma so we pe what do make na hu awo u kwa elect we la dia elect you asu pe 1 euro we no de kwa to ye kwa ti na akolo ku begerede
Iye ya lo ya mu eni ni ya o ni bi ya na yi mo nye to wa ni wo ni ga awe vision ni ogun ogbeluwa ya ogun imelefe ogbeluwa wa ya su eni meye emi no ma eke isangi me ogbeluwa Esuno kage lo ya no wa ya ota.
Umu social media president lo ro bio. E ma nugba ro ye. Ye ni pe we me. Umu e si iwe be na.
Why do so ni me ye mi da? Aye ni me ye mi da.
We na be fe ma. Tu we ye next day.
Awe fu we na mu ye do.
E ku emu e. Agbe won. Ni ada so atu pon na. Ye te to so lu pon li joworu. Ye te to shi sanu gbe.
Iwo ye disgrace o bia ni no we no mu won o bia ni ha o. Can't you see the way you are even talking on your live video? Better move where you move where I will monkey stand there and monkey the total. Banana sit down there and take your banana. Who will total a banana? They will more le beer. Oh, I like it's a new what the city you just come outside. Who will get sit your back, Rouge? Get near to Rouge. What day? Timadosu won't give over money. Imana suwo ni time of bele bele lo kwori yamu illegal entry like jemi e we wa ta jesi we o wa je city Rouge go wa Rouge ti me ma ku gbe mutia 5 minutes governor wa tu wa ko wa ke ma no wa ko nene ma no wa ko le Facebook o wa Ghana aya ni neni ku sale le bossas wa tu pe o wa ko ba fe yan wo tu ta fun me Isa
wa tu wa ko no pon.
What they go give you? A fucking way, man. Women FAE jealousy here. Social media president. I ain't no ya laja. Mela laja who year though. Single mother must marry. Husband to her single mother. Ina we ti omo na we o me omo no me nwa. E ina we ni we ume nwa. O te in. Hello. Hello. Okay, a call out we know to see okay we are going. Hello, go on. Tell me
when you pay in Nigeria, Nigeria, when you pay, a brother, oh, what better be oh, tell me, when you pay one. It will one. When you pay, a brother, Nigeria, no matter where
Okay. On a way call. A guavo yagua. Omo on galaja. Wa dame boya. Udame boya. Ebo yamo wani ha. Eni ka biungo. Yawo nu biungo. Yawo ya wuwe nu wuwe. Uwime nu yedo. Uyedo. Eni na mu menu wena tie. Uyedo. Ina wena fure aro no social media. Wela woman no fure aro. Una because ari wo ni o wa webo. Iya wenu a ni agu egun. Emi na ni dogi puje nanu e. Unda we. Ina no wo tapa. Bia ya jolo si we. Eni no gu we. Una pie agu we. Eni no we. While we don't touch my YouTube, God bless our YouTube. Eni no gue, alamunwe, unaga mwene nini. Ina tiyewe aso tiene ere, my brother, ina gue, apwene ninu ya ladian. Una umanu mwene umenwe, una wonu mwene omozuo. Eni King Solomon seek for wisdom, God gave him wisdom. Honor wisdom conquer. We don't have wisdom when I wear one more zoo. Men are in almost one or worry a go almost one. Nia gugu one, I know ribu de nano. My dear, one a babe. Emeno laja muwe nu ya gwe ma kwane so no ma eke ni meke we social media ima bi pe ye ni so no ma eke ni ege okeke ya gbi ma unda ima ni gbi ma Osie ya gwa le social media me keni yunu mena ase dawe imaye ekene ma ya leji omi ame ni ete ni gata ni edo gbi ma efra ni ete no uegbu omozuo ne omozuo nu egbu eni oni anyiwe ebo eyin eru no bi aye me na owa be kere wo be manuel dawe ari bi omo obiari bi omo na emo ya na ladian ona ti da do re de ninu egbu ona wi egbi eyoma ona wi egbe oriaro ona wi egbe odolero ona wi egbe abi okuta ona wi egbe agbegbere ona wi egbe umewe anumewa ni o ma no te se ya dawe ona ti o sanu da ya to we na yu mna no ri enwa ni wo enwa ni ya gwo osa gwo ba dole doji obala gbide igbise yo ori gbise yo umewa ina yupo wa we yehu we na we o sanu da you said God enini umanu uene una we uwe ede no uwe una uene ede no uwe ede ni no uwe ni nu onu uene ede no mo wa ye ni no ki o ma gugu owo uene ati hello beba o
la wo go mo phone na you speaker call la o
well anyway
Edo.
Utore. My sister. Gwan are gwan. Uwe etore niwe. Wa gutore. Dado ese nunu no gume gwa. No gwe frank gwa, no gume gwa. Dawe ewo ya gwa. Gume gwa.
And anyway, it's a social media, na me live presenter, me live person presenter. A social media, ni makeru where we 10 years in there. E ma no la dia as a presenter. E da do very ni oge. A social media president, o bien la dia na ni oge. O ma mu enne. Uga la dia ori anywhere. A social media president, ni oge na ni social media president. E ma ni Facebook o mu enne. So a bright ri ate boy na ne saki la dia. Ona le lu mewa. O we nu mewa ni. E no do la dia no we eni na maka kwani ene. E yi yi kwani. O ma suppose no je we no le oge. No make social media president here. No get social media president we are in oge. Onye le ma ni bi ni oge as a social media president. E ma ni Facebook o mu ene yo to board ye ni So when I get that, social media president, you make social media president. That is a part of the Murphy. Only in the only time.
I mean, the time I was getting now. Umenwa cheche fancy. Egi umenwa. O my way you want like you umenwa no you.
Why one of them social media? Everybody get it. I mean, Monica Ladia as a Monica, Lolo Ladia as a Lolo, Steles Ladia as a Steles. When Ladia as a Faye, social media president now Ladia as a social media president. Anybody know Ladia with any other when you are in media name, and name and I got one munia. I'm not social media president no here. A man to boy Rio, Mayana ya follow as a social media president. A by the Murphy still remain social media president. A fact to mewa we when I be not to mewa no hini. When I get
successful source, why you delay 2 years to abu year to?
I don't pay what I have here. Oh, where a lot of you when a lot of Anua Joseph or Monica or Faye Price. Well, I don't want to say, you know. When I remain, you're not social media president here. Ni my mama home. A group in all ways, when you are when you are here. Social media president at the office still remains social media president.
My dear sister, my dear Nina do boy na time e jealous here.
O jealous here na man ni life presenter my judge o ma jealous here matter what. My jealous. That is the truth.
Thank you.
Social media president.
Oh man, no more any latia. Okay, well, so Saturday, but when my sister okay. Oh man, I need to take a Waya wadayo. That dog me a giome ni no ya ladian. All scared. Another caller. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Hello?
Hello. Koyo.
Bro, boss.
Yeah.
Aye, Mokafi was.
Okay. Oh, yeah, tell me what time. You are going to go on.
Okay.
The way you have me, where if I'm where telling what time I will be whenever you put the yo, I will get maybe time of
Always okay, it's okay. One problem with a Victor. Boa can area platform one we are tied to see only limit.
Oh, only no na go Victor go ba o ke go e dan yo me. Only wo ya wata ma we. Dan yo me wo no see e dan yo me. Wo no see e na to ni ma we. Mani tie we di a che frank dan yo me ni correct we. Ya correct mani.
Ma bu we ka gwan sin.
U ka call me ba ye for dia correct mani. Ja wo no see na correct ba. Frankie Gua always social media president ma so ye nini obo ai do kwa ne wo gu teneni o teneni connect Frank
mudia e me platform o te correct
o me call the platform o teneni ima wo no say na need a platform o wa tani o me me call the platform almost wo iri ti o me almost wo be jo Nina call the platform you are going. When you might attack the platform, which is wrong? You are wrong. Understand? Hello, my son. Hello. So, which is wrong?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What's the point? When I call it the platform or Unuba.
Obo ame omane uemuno. Obo ame omane uemuno. Omane uemuno. Omane uemuno. Obo ame ni agwaba. Obo ame jegene. Obo ame yawo imere surprise. Frankie if you go ewu jealousy here. Obo imebu surprise. Obo ame surprise. Obo imebu surprise. Frank amweme Frank na atama we ni ne woman we bother collide una kick against him ni ga atalo una defend Frank yena we na we Frank God no we ijo wa bless your people we family we no ke no pa ina mo ana o man we gbi na ni yeke ni we defend o na bona we jealous him ina wa no me ijubo iwi na also are we jealous here? One of them, I believe I pay where social media. We are angry, we jealous well.
Honestly, why can't you pass it to Balasaga? Why can't money for it?
Saga, Obiano, here I think bear. Obiano, here I think bear. I wanted to get one back. Wa so ta ba ka se abi wo na se ni awe 14 abi wo ni o wa we bo wa ku me mu fenu wa wa ya ko ni wa ni ogun gbelu wa se no go gbelu wa itani eni ka wa mo wa strike eni ka mo ne kisifi we ni ka o ga jo me no ma
Museye, only say, get on party, and go up at the I never shake a funky banner is a con with ye.
I don't want to let time a fan of you back, and I want everyone to be to wire. I will go back one. Why are not going to the man who go better one to you are? Linky CBN. I be where you back. Any car, any mama me don't fool, mama me so don't fool ya fool you like bell.
You know how when I'm when I couple water you do your borrow yiki. Look how on say change the topic.
Romania, the people call Romania, okay. Sure. Hello? Okay. Social media president or calling, hello? Social media president or calling, hello?
Ebony something. Ebony. Yeah, you fake account to him. Osalogba no bless you when we did Jesus Christ on Yawa. The by Tracy. Osalogba no bless you. Oh, my bona. My bell who no got one. Osalogba no bless you. Well, fair. Osalogba no bless you. My yafe no a presenter. Dan doge ni dan dogo yari. Imari dan onari ni onari. My suggest my go on there. Nobody didn't want it. I go on there. But can't do it. Why me me type where? No, you have where a president you no power. Why me complete? They complete you are. Me live video to complete ya. But they married to go complete you. What can make you win ya play ya? Ya lad ya. Ya man, you need your switching ya.
My people. I don't come, I carry another to come. Now well done, all the brother and sister and auntie when it did my page. God will bless you. I want to watch my channel, okay? I really appreciate all of you now. So the story when it turned out for everywhere when I carry come be say now between Frank Victor, aka Omenwa, aka the latest social media president, when they cause wahala, a Baba no smile. Very funny, Baba no smile. So now, what this social media within social media president and our first social media president wife is okay, Idausa, and Atiti, and what it be name? Efeyi Bright. The fact when the day be say, people, these people, the saga go too sweet. I know say Frank Victor go see come out, cause saga all of them. If not be today, it go be tomorrow. I will bring the story for now for here. The thing funny maybe say, now it's okay. The way it's okay, they call for the live video, they cry say, if they say they want to collect social media position for a husband, like say that they pay money put anyway, the man earn it, a pa earn it. But if you even collect the position for a pa hand, they say because a pa not deserve, a pa not to betray Venive. Now Venive verse, he wake up now, carry the matter, he give Frank Victor the position. Say Frank Victor, where don't move. Come carry it since you say you want her. Now you fit not be a pa social media president, aka Dausa. So what did they happen now? They say a pa wife call for a Efeyi live video. A pa wife call for a Efeyi live video. You know what did happen for social media ever since between Atiti and Susie when Frank Victor come out called Disgwagwa Atiti. If you now look, you go see her for my channel when I post that when Frank Victor take Disgwagwa Atiti when it they call Mama Susie Ashawo. So inside that position, that word when he talk, he call evolve Efeyi inside the talk when he talk. You understand? So he call evolve Efeyi inside the talk when he talk. Now that one call carry Efeyi come out. He call provoke Efeyi come out now the Disgwagwa Frank Victor. Say who give her that position? Say na a pa na get a pa Idausa. Our first social media president na get and say Frank Victor Omenwa, aka Baba no smile, he not end that position. Make as he come social media, may go choose in your position. Not be say go come carry another person position. Say a pa don't to work for that position, make him leave that position for a pa. Now that it is Disgwagwa Frank Victor now. for a this guy show what it be named Pa Efeyi live show the Disgwagwa Frank Victor now as me and now they talk so the thing be say the guy say he not go leave the position because EPA not supposed to be social media president because he don't to betray people and he don't to they do misbehave according to her. You understand? So now get her. Now even if you kukuma give her, bam, now your own because EPA not deserve her. Social media president is not supposed to betray people. They play people record. They record people go. They give people. Say that will not be social media president. Social media president they call for peace and among presenters, but EPA if you see EPA they scatter. So now there now Frank Victor take Disgwagwa this guy what be name what be this guy name self Atiti. He Disgwagwa Atiti finish Atiti not talk so you're quiet. So when Efeyi come live video just now, Efeyi call the talk. Now it's okay, call enter. It's okay, talk, complain. Say they won't collect your husband position from here. Now they say nobody won't collect your husband position. If your husband hand it, no problem. But your husband don't to do many things. Now make the boy come collect her. It's okay, call 2 times for the show. May you tell no say the thing really pay. It's okay, say position when your husband don't they bear for more than 5 years. Now they come collect her for a hand just like that. He say one small boy. He say he go deal with Frank Victor, aka or Menwa. Social media, our latest social media no swag. Social media president no swag. Baba when they smile, aka Papa when they smile. Now it's okay, they come out the Disgwagwa Frank Victor say, wait till the warrior, we want to collect position when your husband don't fight for. Now that one be the problem when he do all of the callers they call the Disgwagwa Frank Victor say may go find position, may not go collect another person position. The idea now Atiti call, he say he go deport Frank Victor. He say all were deported. Frank Victor go see himself for Lagos. He say if Frank Victor not see himself for Lagos, may not call her Obo. Now people got the comment for comment section say if your juju they work as Obo, now another man collect your wife for your hand and your children they stay with that man. So may you Atiti, may you just shut up according to them, which is the right for comment section. Say, may Atiti just keep quiet, may not your talk for the matter, not concern her. Say, why when Frank Victor asked Atiti question 3 days ago, say why Atiti not come out cut up? Because he say Efeyi come out the Disgwagwa at Frank Victor, now Atiti call for Efeyi live video, the Disgwagwa, they threaten Frank Victor, say go deport her. Go Nigeria. That they say you will not see get paper. You want this code. You want deport person go Lagos, Nigeria with which paper with juju according to you. Now they say me first may if go use that juju go carry children and the wife we another man collect for a hand. May if go use her first and may if use that juju to give himself document. Not be smart in the Disgwagwa Atiti there too. The Disgwagwa is okay. The Disgwagwa Frank Victor. The drama is too much. But I know say Frank Victor they come out for them, and I know say if any they come out because if any they do live video now, as me on the talk so if the Disgwagwa Iyore for that live video say Iyore na scam, I go see post that one very soon. All this everywhere just the hot for inside social media. Nobody even know what to do again. Now let God now be save us, my people. So I say make I just drop this small story for here. My people. So I'm gonna say understand what they happen for social media. So I won't go make I go relax myself. I did do something. Make I feel no couple person for wahala. Okay. See you guys later for more updates. Love you. Ciao.
I will talk about that with Obo. Achievement. Because after this live video, if they are the same way, Latina, don't see upon to reply. My brother never did that. But we're a nice person. The way you talk, yeah, who may want to your lane.
My brother time was at Debawe. Every Mario we are all the water. Oh, I let you on my water. I ain't bay. Or man that water you are not fair with everyone or any bay, no men winning. Or my winning in it. Why you can go why you can when I take where they you get him now. No lao. Lao never I will actually what where I was on what you say. Because where if you so you can here you go about where is okay. Where one. And many people have to money right. No, I don't know. So when you come over there, we got one. But what is the one? No, you know, because anybody anywhere, I mean, almost one. Yes.
But then Mr. Fay Lao, Baba Lao, I make best in Lao. What's here?
When we were here by Frank or Tiaba, if Frank or Tiaba, me can't say, I can't. You are maybe just a calling out, Gary. Now, any pick a call of any big give Frankie go on me picking him. If Frank or Tiaba call it by me, I may pick Kenny a guan. And he may give me a nota. None never ya great, flat, none more away Frank. And anytime away, me time I baby say, if you work one privately, we send a voice message and the room and tell me privately, I go work one. But now, where you, I will not even bet you where it will not yet be a war. Where I did one now, he had gone where I not going, and you fortunate when you over. If you put a name on camera, happy there. Each winner, and so a Timofino, social media president, and you not been a nini. Eh, you put a new one. Even me, I know where my brother a social media where when I be one now, when you have got here, send you go, here send you go. If we were here, send you go, get here, promote me, here go, give me a work, even now, don't even care about them. Sakaya Qualo, Babaru Lao. Nedo Miege, they matter if you, the Babe, if you always no Karuto, or you are years on money, Pia, our war. I did what will it be only a bullet, but we are bullet because you could be cool. But we are the money that you roll, Papa Lao. You are at why if I call it there, like they are me, and not what I say, if you are near the way. What's it? Ever got a table, but not a came, not any mega and all that. Now, me a meta, a Budeni and me data. Okay, now, ma. What's it? No one had the emita, a meu, near the Bude, near the Frank. E Frank, in our way, wala, me Frankie kere mi dano. One moment, if baby data. Frank kere mi eminu, eminama eke anywhere, when anywhere. Mi data. Not when anywhere, yati Frankie ba. In a go privately. Then I go, ma go. Hello, caller. Hello? Hello? I don't put on speaker. Hello? I don't put on speaker. Go on.
Good evening.
Good evening.
God bless.
God bless you.
You know who they call?
I know her.
My brother.
Oscar. Yeah.
Yeah. God bless you. You try. This topic where you bring on, so you don't first talk on before.
Yeah.
And me said think some kind of things where they happen for this social media. If they see truth, maybe they stand for the truth.
Okay.
You know, good maybe they beat around the bush, especially people where they clap out from people where they don't even know they are left and right, some of them. Now, this man say you they jealous. Now that jealous, now really make me call put.
Now the jealous make me vex.
Yes, and I make me call put because I know they when you start this program. So you say you they jealous. Who they jealous for here now? The name will not be your own. You claim us some months ago. And people they clap out for you, say, now you will fit, now you will fit. the river, the what you call desert, the water, the breeze, the wind, where this man pass through, social media president. If in nine me don't run come out for inside social media where they sit down they talk for their soul. It's not good waiting they talk. Because why I talk the social media president pass through. I'm not sure say many people will pass and through and it causes stand today. I don't know what that man do people, some people when they say they don't want make it drink of people water. The name not be your own. They don't call you. Another name not there for Omewa, not be Omewa. See better name will be the answer. But you not call the work according to your own name again. You won't collect garment will not be your own wherever. You understand? So make it go find name. We go fit on with that Omewa a very nice name. What is social media president when you won't collect that name will not be your own. If he say social media president drop the name, say you don't want to answer this name again. It's left for other people to take it because still yet they go see they remember say Naim be the social media president. No matter how you throw where people will still remember her for that name because he done a great job for those people, for the those state people. You understand? So make on May remain with that in your May. If you want to be really on May, you should think about this. You might see it like say people they against and they don't like her. But like the truth that they tell her, don't take another person garment that belongs to that person and try to pull it from that person and wear it. It will never fit you. Because me never really see what you they do now. Where the time where you never they call yourself social media presenter, I don't know you. Now that very day when I know see you, they bring a comment, they share a rich way, I did not even know that face of Omewa. I even comment, would say, I don't vote for you. Your name not be a social media presenter.
President.
No, you should stop collecting somebody's name, bro. You are not a jealousy person, brother. Now you be the jealous person when they collect person's name.
Thank you. God bless you. Don't talk now. Now see this caller, don't talk now. You see an Amir now, he who they jealous. You the jealous social media president. You collect his name. Person will go give you that name. Why you not be around? He call you, he carry you, he want Jewish people hate you. The name where you get, you say you don't want to bear that name. Say you want to bear Omozuo. Which is very, very wrong. We all call you and I spoke with you privately. My brother, beware, be careful about these women. I call you personally, privately and advise you. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Call you my brother.
Yeah, moi speaker.
Always speak about Baba.
Yeah, Otani no. We take contest the position.
In my contest, yo.
Because we are voting again.
Me my contest, who you do me? Yo, my camera, I money me buy. Ime o wa ya gbe ni me ba iwe poke ya wu me na wa mo na wa video. Never I swear ni me ya contest. You are doing social media president. E na mo na che Frank. I want to send me a message. Ọba be neru me. Obe neru me. Ona be a message no we aso we me bi ko ya poke na do go egun we o. Egbe ileri o e ma untu we ni me ape eru no be na menia. Ni beru down your me o. After you go egun
as long as Eddie Murphy is now a man of God according to
no, Eddie Murphy still be a social media president.
We the social media viewer, we will not leave that position vacant.
The position is not vacant.
Oba vacant because
why are vacant here?
Any naya, only when I commending them.
Commenting Dame ni ku wegwa.
Okay, sir.
Dame umiere na we ni redo iri redo wa me o se ni ateyin o gbere no bo oriri eti to tre eni ni awon se meti me aya ere
All right.
dedo isewe bo se ni ere atemo gbere no bo oriri ateme so now many ask many eni ni a ichawe ni ni ete awon se gbere which one will speak with my we egwan
Yeah.
now When you hear Toyala on the social media now. Now, where I am now, Prophet Efei. Prophet Efei, I did not tell you I'm not seeing you here though. Who I mean, aka social media president, the social media president, your pastor, aka social media president. Now, any when the datore ladia or many na ya you invent something, come out with a not detected chemistry. No come who chemist. I didn't know today. Or you but party the founder. Niger River Niger, what it any new river in the water.
Exactly.
Exactly, my brother. Now, you now know a new one on my land, that name is recorded, is documented, and Guinness Book of Record. One person will not come and say, yeah, beg Guinness Book of Record on money, now replace it here, Yevani. Is it possible?
Yeah, give me the
The answer to that question, is it possible? It is a baby, my wedding, and tell me, no time. A friend, we may that clear, boy, me call me. We don't go about it, not tell me, Regulona, me, what tell me, what said Gume as a man when he tell Frankie, you not Gume, you said you as a good man before. Go. Come here,
Kokobiri master, the husband to all single mother, the disgwangwan master.
As
men
were not taking.
We are calling me now. Me got a live video.
Come here, man.
I must greet you, Baba. If you not bomb away, there miss call, but the teacher now call you.
Well, we greet you now. See any work on your damn your.
Maybe you really. Wow, so Baba, one love. And how you be? Back way, one more to talk.
He said. He said. They will not know me. He said. He said.
You don't know even an equipment. But also, see a really. See what I want. I see your work, will not be selling the scene, and see your work, understand. No, basic, so could you okay? Me, I see you, I know, see that you be man, you understand, balance your aguan. I just observe, you the feel me so. I might be broke, I don't lie you, you understand. You know, I'm not well, don't even regard, I be down, they regard people like what be saying. They speak the truth, they speak the honestly. But a man, I believe. No,
I no record on. I send voice message, no be record, no be record.
But take the matter in a row, oh, I moved you, oh, you, without no fear. Man, we want no woman of you. It doesn't get be, but based on where my body marina, you know, where at the matter, you know, we one down, you know, I do criticize you in one way or the other. But nevertheless, you understand, God on your side, everything we do, otherwise involved, you understand, me and my life now. Otherwise involved, we always stand by the truth, to speak the truth. It's only the truth that will set us free, and it's only the truth that will make a door move to the world. Almost will talk. I greet you, bros. One love, but that's time. I'll go one bros. Your own blood brother. You understand? Second, I greet you. Now, how you be, bro? To like you, no be loud. When you be about to be, you go my girl now, you understand? It be like me, I like surprise.
My brother, tell me your name.
And so nobody you, but we see nobody go. You understand? I don't talk and say, get time where I go sit down. Come praise your wife. You get better wife. I don't lie you, bro. You get better woman. I don't see something for this Europe, bros. You get better wife. May God bless that your wife, strengthen that your wife, give that your wife more wisdom. Bros, who are yet you are maybe no more say dinner how any balance be. I make boy the way bros. You know if you understand. I make boy when you boo, you know day. Let this voice record for your wife. God will bless her. It will balance. Oh, honey, balance it be. Now 100 wife now you marry. Only she na 100 woman for Europe. You get what I tell you. Only your wife now 100 women compared to the number of those women don't use my eyes. One of your wife, that your wife alone now 100 women for Europe. When you know get Saloba bless her, we are not your boy or do nothing or mom only by you know all your enemy go see you, they will come celebrate with you because Oluwa don't bless you.
My brother, when Frank after I go Frank or me no send Gume. Or when good day, no hour. I was in a day, in a channel, and when I get it there, when first in a scant Gume, there no hour. Owe ni be no ame ina gele be no ame unda we o send e gume. Owe be no awe. Debi no awe ina gele je no ame. Unda we be no ma ya gume gun. Emi no Frank Itani ina we unda we temata. But it will not ya lue Frank again to choose my brother damn you are.
So we regard well.
A Frank na good boy. Before you change abi wo na ria Frank wa.
But the social president in Amamu then.
Tamu we na ya neru ni me. We temata my here.
Exactly.
We temata my here. Ya see so.
This number wins the votes.
Yeah, damn you we are calling sir. Where you tell me no sunu my brother?
I'm listening, bro.
Where are you calling from UK?
I'm calling from the United States.
You are not in the United States. You are in Oubo. You are in Oubo. People who United States in UK, they study, they know what I'm talking about. But you are talking from like people who school in Oubo community or Oubo village. You didn't go to school. You are talking with this number. You are using fake number. United Kingdom. When you are United Kingdom, I gave you, I asked you an answer. A wise man. The people try to turn a wise man to a foolish man. You are still trying to modelize you automatically. You are evil juniors. Eh, my brother?
No.
You are evil juniors.
Democratic rules.
You are evil juniors. You are evil juniors. I let you tell you. You are one of the people who are quelling from. You are from Oubo village. Okay?
I don't know him. I don't know.
You are Oubo village. I thought you are United from United Kingdom because I saw the number. People, the men in United Kingdom, they go to school. They are very brilliant and intelligent men. But I'm surprised you are not acting like men in United Kingdom. You are acting like men in your Oubo. Eh, my brother?
Which means they will perform another election.
No, you are acting like Oubo village community. No, you get it wrong, man. You get it wrong. You go and study. Go and study.
Respect, that's not right.
No, you are wrong. You are getting it wrong, man. You need to study, man. No, what ballot box? What ballot box? What ballot box?
Lost the election.
What ballot box? Let me pick another UK caller. Okay. Oh, see you later. I thought it's from United Kingdom. Another caller go to call. Oh, hello. Hello. Caller, go on. Abota, my brother. My brother. I believe you. The program is marché. Okay. Hello, caller. Hello, caller. Yeah.
Hey, I'm calling from UK.
Go on, my brother. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm one of your top fans. You know, the last time, yesterday, I do call you when you were talking about Frank issue.
Yeah.
And I told you that for me, calling Frank a president doesn't mean nothing. It's just like a title, but there's nothing different. Because at the end of the day, this you are doing, it can lead to both of you, they have a saga. And at the end of the day, the Facebook will turn to fight, which is not really nice. We are adults.
Oh, can I ask you a question? What is my name? What name did I came up with?
Yeah, I think Frank Uyedo.
What name did Frank came up with? Umenwa. Now, can I ask you a question? I'm surprised now. A lot of people calling from UK. I thought the UK men are very wise, intellectual. But why is it that now there's women don't they turn some vibrant men? Hello, dear.
So it's just
Let me answer you. I don't want to talk to you. I want to answer you. Men calling from UK. You people shouldn't let me to underrate many Nigerians, few Nigerians that are living in UK. But I know men living there are very intellectual. But I can see some men are just acting like people who they say they are schooling there, working and studying. It's like what they are doing there, they are not studying. It's like the women there, they come there, they make us leak. Because I'm surprised, not UK men will be talking like this.
With the study.
Even at the study, what study are you studying? You see, you are calling it Ororo. Then I came out with 2 years to a very bright. Now, somebody came out want to be I am alive. You are telling me if I invent something now, it is written with my name. Now you said you want to bear the name, and these people who gave you that name are enemy. Who are the people who gave you that name? These people, because they have grudges, they came out. Who are these people? Iboni keke, Abije lekute na bikori and biko ogbiki uweni tuamen. Uweni tuamen and gave them those names. And that uweni tuamen that gave them those names, abiki antuo. Iya kiwe ya nene we are repenting we so. Now I'm trying to make peace. For peace to reign, Frank is to main one, but Frank doesn't want to be a main one, want to be a Moswo.
All I say, if you do that, I better will my body.
Hey, man, two man on bad Wayaria. Anya, you are my brother. Hey, Atamata. Wana UK waje, WhatsApp fake number Wayako. Wana we a fraudster 419 now. You are not in UK. Why are you UK WhatsApp because he shot the young UK WhatsApp number. Then why you now?
Maybe not to believe you.
You don't believe me. I know they join you for evil. Not believe me for evil. I like truth. I must stand you for truth. Hello, my brother. I love truth. I stand for truth.
Because this one like police to another.
Go back again. You know, I know the truth. Later, take care. Now they cause problem on social media. So, when I have it, he married the so well as one. He stay. He will stay here. Ebony. Hello. Hello. Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Social media president.
Okay, 12 Baba.
Larry, Okwopano Gwanwa, where social media president. Larry, we're going to go to Obiomo Ernest. Ernest, you know, you what do you where Ernest, you know, you where you are. Yeah, Obio here, Ernest. One in a Gwanwa. Or in New York, Mojo. Don't worry, when you know where you are, where you're really. Problem what can we walk? Ona we have when you know Manatia Bombe. O Macame can. But o Macame can, and no Jenny Azere, and no Tia Bombe, and no Filukume. O Macame can, oh, okay. Then do get TPA president to attack Monaya. I'm a president of Nigeria. I'm a president of it. Don't need to come with a president. Only Macame. We walk away. Why are we president to walk away? So the next way you would just say. Send you well, never take it. And we're like the other way why quack it up in Nuku, my own, my back week, my bassy your quote. Every day, not really larger, almost so sending it. Or ever say Mutiana only. oh here is ni me oh wa kuni eni we pa social media president mo Tony oh here to wa kuni oh ha iwa me here oni me kuipa wo ibi edo ya fe oni me kuipa wo no ni ko wi o ye president o no ni ko wi o e ka wo o no ni ko wi aye do pa eni omu ne gbe ma ama voti me yo o salo pari eni me data voti me yo 4 years agbe ama voti ma ko pa yo u ye do na ama voti yo e monica na ama voti yo e student na ama voti yo beni ba ya take kege ni ade neni ife di ama voti yo do na e voti yo de wa ni ado pela jawe ana voti wela ja o ta be voti akere ajewe boa wa voti kwa kere lawe boa wa voti kwa kere le boroko lawe boa abota kewe de benu wa be webo o voti wa webo awe wa ya fe wa la re wa gado photo a ga de passport no na a ga de visa no na awe wa be yo a so eni oni tamu wa dan doge wa ri live video wo wu ejo mai odukun me ma yo mai odukun o emi atawe ni ya atawo gian mi ope wa kezo wo we we atawa no video just live video me no mo ya wa me mo we ya wa sare ai ya do wa sare ai
topic
ala wa sare ai wa la wo de yi wa pe ife ba wa eni ojo no ro a ife ba ki wa eni ojo no ro wa ojo ba wa na jo wa di gwe no papa do musa ye wa e awe de mi ama re do ne mi atemu re do o ke nu gwara wa mi ewe ikwo ni ya fe ro ta gbona lare we no kwale lodo ni wa we no kwo ni obi jwe do ma ma mo bi jwe re je o mo egbe weri o mo egbe nu na won dori odo pay 70,000 ekwe mu we no gwa wa we ko gbe pe na nu we go gbe dori o ja nu we o sa lo gba e Jesu Kristi dori o ja nu wa ya ona wu but wa ti gbe me o ja ni enu wa ti gbe me ti mi ajo go me ma ibi edo no ma no ro tu wa ya ga ma nebe ma no ro tu wa ya ga ma wa ga change na gbo ya kwa okugbe na gbo ya ga gogo okugbe beni ma igbe ari live joda ma ya da gele bi un ko okugbe abi ko ni unye ne nya ga ni ero gbodo ne respect odo no bia no do ne ti koko ne ti ko bawi ye no do go ma gwa we ya o keke ni malik gba koko ni ma dia ya ba we lare enu wa una ma o ge wiri ma ikwo ri ogo ni pe a pe na mi egwu kwana uwe na le lono no a uwe nu kwala lono a o ma to bo ya la le lenu we e respect e okwo no gba respect abi ke fe di respect wani gba ma so ko nu ya fa na team wa we go no pare ba uye do re ba mere ba nene we atobi okana ifa ke nene mi ore ba era no mi go re ba ma ya fe na team oh yes sir okay Oma egwe ayi mama ayi gbe we ne gbe ya palo oma ni a oma ko la o ayi gbe we ne gbe ya palo e ma gbon na agbon ya we are all one onwa o ti pa okere o opagbon ya hin aye wa ye gbe na we ne gbe ya palo na ya to lo egbe ya ibolo wagima ya fe wagima awe mi no ma wagima awe mi yuke gbigba me ya wa mi no ti wa ti e we ko gba egwegun a beri me ya tu we no de ina egwegun a gbe ma en bede gbe ma lo gwa we de ni me kere ku we wona we bede gbe ma we se bana de ana de bote ni gbe ma me u bi akati me we awe pani awe igbina ni pani gbina gbe ma de ge bote ku e u we ma mi miao
Dame owe.
Wa program we do e program we uje dokele fun. Aya ga chama we eru ya de uma de pa ya wa de me ma mi we ge ni ya put nu e. Uma ya re ba e ba o ri. We nene mi nu da e mi aka o ni ma ka we nu je do mo egbe yo no do mo egbe yo to na wa pa. Uje do ti ba te gbe ma mu. O ko na ya we gbe o no fofo a no fofo ase o to tu pon e Emma Yegbe.
Okay.
The Baji Oba Tope.
He said,
why up there while why are they talk why you bell? Why up there while where you go big where you even go in Nigeria? I mean, Naya Silva Koto, Nayaria Moa, that look at you to I my agenda. As an Aya Dolly Boyi, Naya Dolo Boyi, Naya Dole Raji, Naya Dole Boyi, Ari Gualo, Bagualoni. I remain social media president for life.
One.
I said to you, also to you, I'm about to you, if we not your, even 1 million of Equa, in 1 minute or 2 minutes, where you are, and then where I want many. Una was, Motobola life yes. Omona ya nwame because of Pinakuna, Obana Jerry, and I am one, Yaki, Egunano. But I mean, I might be my human say, who were you the sergeant? A sergeant where you
It's one part of everything. A boy and a pay, no one claim them, no get up. And a pay, a big way, no young so go to a pay. And we have the Maya Yoga, general, not the information about that in Nakota. I mean, like, I like Jonas Academy on us. Who may pay royal like a weapon, we were talk quality here. What pay? Who you get here go talk? I pay where you go. Here, I pay well as 6 weeks. You want to get away. See, then Pomera, I walk by him way. Who to any of the Sagu one. If I want one, it's the that you always become the back.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, the caller. So many people they call. Yeah, a lot of people have been calling. Yes, I will pick their call. Yes, waiting with the there you see where every man what will they talk about? This problem of social media. Where will they see so on that caller? Where will they see? Where be say Frank that caller? Hello? 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 On that caller, this call. Hello?
Yeah, it's me. I'm calling from the United Kingdom.
Okay, now you go call direct. Now you're calling from the United Kingdom.
Yeah. Let me put your point. You're doing a great job. I recommend you for that. But what I want you to know, the meaning of a democracy. It simply means align the will of the people to prevail.
No, but this was not democracy. Let me clarify you. It was a coup by a group of people. Listen to me.
We in United Kingdom and in the US, we have already seen it. We are following.
Let me tell you, hello, dear. Let me tell you, hello. Can I tell you what happened? If you want to make me to measure the women, I will measure it. I will tell you how the coup was planned. If you want to provoke me to that extent, if you want to provoke me to measure the women, I don't care about them. I'll measure all of them. And if I measure them, you make me to saga them. So it's better you just hang your phone. Don't go with the will of that will.
Yeah, I'm not.
No, you don't talk about a coup planned by people because to undirect person to bring person down. Don't go there. Act like a man and be wise. Are you being controlled by a woman, by a wife? Answer me. He got sick. I don't hear her. You not talk again. Hello, caller. On that caller. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, yeah.
Hello, my friend.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Now me, I did Love TV.
Oh, I did Love TV. I greet you.
Now God will bless you, sir.
Okay, I don't say I did Love TV. Yes, I don't say God bless you. Go on.
Well, sir, for the good work you do, now God will bless you. You understand?
Yeah.
As you know, they support bad things. So
Media president of it said they not they give anything, nothing.
Now, person come out with you, come out with your name, do the something. I surprise for am where the almost will come out and they talk nonsense.
Na jealousy, man, because they're jealous of you. They say, man, if I don't say, man, even though say you not get viewers, you not get people when they look you, but you get people when love you because of your truth when they stand on.
Yes.
Women if not love you, but men do love you because they taught the truth, you stand for the truth.
Yes.
You understand? So, because women, they don't like the truth. They hate the person when they talk truth. Truth is bitter, but not the best. You understand? So
thank you. God will really bless you.
When you carry on for the good work.
Thank you very much. God bless you, caller.
That is why I still love this woman, Kaluga.
Kaluga.
Kaluga and two woman when we say they talk about. You get one show when you do when she come to talk good.
She calls it correct herself. She come back and talk again.
She not go talk when I mean come talk say man. She not the woman when you respect her for insult her. You understand?
Yes.
And really, if you say she not the woman when you respect her, she count down all those ones they talk for your program that time. They can't insult when I forgive her. She for no say man. Some men they will be say they don't get respect for woman, not even their mother. You understand? So.
Yeah.
But I respect her because I know say man, she is a woman when they stand for truth. But if she can't change her, man, I feel pull her bro. So.
No, she don't even. She do program for the see her when she dey talk about say she dey stand. In dey tell women make dem change. No make dem no dey do that. Okay, I was happy.
No matter I'll deal with you if I don't know.
Thank you very much. Okay.
You know, get talk that one Peter, so me no know her. So I not be talk with her, I don't know that what me know. So in case I call next time, if they talk and I know I
oh, thank you. God will bless you, my brother. May I see the call that call. God bless you.
Okay.
Yeah. My darling sister, may I pick your call? I see your call. Hello. Hello, madam, the madam. Hello. I greet you. You want to contribute? May I put up for auntie? Auntie, good evening.
Put her for speaker.
I don't put her. I can tell you so. I put her now. Okay. Go on.
Ralph. My uncle Alpha now.
I do.
You know, say me with you they fight. You will still settle.
We dey fight, we dey settle. Go carry your cartoon, go sir. We dey fight, we dey settle.
Now, so you know what? Truth no say make dem not talk. If I talk the truth, they go say for show me they go. That make me come run enter house.
I say you come on. You talk that day, they insult you, they show my insult my enemy. I see am. That condemned woman.
Epa, one of Germany. Now he get social media president. Almost 1 year or enya. He they always say he go say one rocket girl come make they insult me.
I see her. Now I insult that girl. I see her. Now I talk that one make it better me.
You know one truth. I say na Epa get time. Me I dey always stand for where truth dey.
I tell you, I don't call your name. I saw one person come out 2 years ago. You attack her. I see him years ago.
Okay, yeah. If you use a play, Frank Monswell carry her for head. Who be Frank? Frank, who be you when you dey insult me for your platform? The guys when you dey mention for your platform that day, they want $1. Go ask them, they know me. That time I be their friend. When you come out, you wait frustrate. Because they insult me for platform. You don't pass. The class when my small boy they wear, you go feel wear her. If you see my son, when my son start put you off this one from there, it dey craze. You know why? Yes, you don't be social media, you be your mouth floor. Who will give you social media? Everybody gets your name. As me company now, I may be barrister.
A barrister, now we know you put. You don't talk her.
Tomorrow, now that's your company say be barrister. Facebook will say, we will comment ourselves. We will fuck our cancer. Go say, what say I the lovely? He can pay. They say na lovely get her. I rest my case. Say na lovely get. Even if people they use man, people when people say that they comment, but they say na lovely logo with this one. Or na barrister logo with this one. You cannot just come from somewhere where you were going. When only some work here, you win the try for Germany. You go say mama boy house, mama boy they go party, they go buy tree, go give you. You know what me? I don't carry your information, I don't know that for her, but you are too small for me to give. He had a banner, Momo, he no why, you know where Europa, lunatic. He they say better, but he don't pass. He don't know what you hold P, no, Italian. Your hand before you go get the Italian fee, where your man, you are in you were there, you got 20 of war. You don't want to come up
you say, I will tell you, me, I be fire will not get wisdom. If I dey go, I know they look say whether something there. He must make you know reach me peace. Also, we have a social media president.
No, I don't mind now.
Bastard. Ashawo no come them no sit. They go and say that everything they talk to me that girl. Useless boy we no get say. Secret when they buy for you Chinese Adidas. Now you tell them, oh, buy Adidas of 250 euro. Better complete. I don't say you they talk. I bet Okuba man she dey fool. All those new life video presented. They want for them. They want drive us enter house. We don't play before we come.
Are you back for them?
Don't let me deal with her. Okuta when we before we Latia. They want come for sure like that. You don't pass when there. When me me want to. Oh, can you go go me for? We go dey show from our Facebook. Very true. Bro, if you do like you just finish, you don't know like you want popular. You want person who want make a popular, you sure. Also, bros, I hear I rest my case. Bye bye.
Thank you, love you.
Yeah.
I hear you, love me. Thank you. Yes, the barrister don't talk. Barrister don't talk, yo. That is lovely, the barrister. Even for barrister to come talk, that is the great barrister. Barrister don't yarn her. See how barrister don't tell her now say, now Mozuo. For barrister, Papa don't see yarn. Because everybody know, say now Mozuo. Barrister even know, now Mozuo. All of us know, now Mozuo. So waiting, I'll collect up your hand. All of us know, say now Mozuo. Even barrister don't see yarn now. So we see the truth. Say na Mozuo, na pure or Mozuo. See this Rita wey don die. This Rita wey dey use fake account, you don die. This Rita and this Uselu wey e don die. So una take our block now. So the barrister don yarn, we all just can say confirm na Mozuo. So today I don't make una know say it's now Omozuo said by Uyedo confirm. So it's now Omozuo. So I want everybody to know say it's now Omozuo. We don't remove am. It's no more this thing. So we want all of una know say now Omozuo. So everybody, this is from Uyedo Talk Show. We don't talk the barrister. May God bless the barrister. The barrister have said it all. Have spoken the truth. Because when pikin one wear cap wey never reach to wear, automatically e dey give itself wetin benin dey cause say ọwọ ẹrù ẹdẹ ló máa sọ àbọ̀nàwé àmú ẹgbà ògbẹrẹrẹ ọgbẹ. So na make I talk say Uselu that Uselu now wey I don remove am here, no dey. That Uselu, this Uselu, our block clan, Uselu King. Frank is now a Muslim. No, notice no more. It's no more because it's no more of men. When I said it openly to the world, I stand for the issue. I want everybody know. So I don't talk. That's why I talk as I talk, and so it go be. So my people. I appreciate you all and I love you all, both people on my Facebook and on my YouTube. And may God bless everybody. I remain the Kokobiri master, husband to all single mother. When say, tell her what you don't see for social media. Almost will come they talk to everybody. We they give you advice. We they tell you because of what they talk. You don't want to hear. The barrister has spoken. So then we use the barrister words to conclude the show of today. So God bless the barrister and God bless everybody that have contributed today. God bless everybody. I love you all. Let's remain our brother's keeper. Let's everybody be our name. We know the barrister. We know social media president. We know everybody with his own name. We don't come no scale. I know who here do with my name. Which person come and say, nah, come take on that person's name. come out with your name, make we know what you take come out. Don't fight for waiting no be your own. Go and fight and hustle and become a man that people should celebrate you. Don't be evil juniors. Don't be jealous. Don't be heavy. Don't heavy people. That is evidence. You dey heavy. You dey jealous. The name you call me, I'm jealousy. Now you dey jealousy. Stand with your name. And the name, when God be want give you before, now good name. But now, the name has been turned to Omozuo. When you change, then we go know. You are now known as Omozuo. God bless everybody.